Second meet, earlier I was joined for this orientation program. Chandra sir was there, and he took this session about this AI program with the Amazon and all that. That all these Amazon partners will will join hands, and they will implement in their community as well as in schools where they are working. So that time I was thinking that I don't know what is actually AI, and that day I came to know that and before that I was presenting one such a training program with this our SMC members, and I heard this word AI, artificial intelligence, that in government schools under this new education policy now it will be also covered. So from there, I just heard about this word and this techniques. But when you took session that these are the basics and this happen, I just say it's okay, no problem. ये ठीक है, other जैसे और programs है वैसे ही होगा. But after that, this 2 days session, I found that it's a very creative and it's a very you know you can say that it's a very unique in terms of uh, Indian government school students for them. Because earlier they have only limited access for this computer lab and all that. But if this we introduce in schools with this help of Amazon, definitely it will boost their knowledge and skills and their creativity. So I am very positive and looking forward for your support and all that. Most of the part of this training was uses of robots and AI, and second thing is Alexa, because everyday life we have seen that, and we are doing so many things, but we don't know that these are the things which we can use easily, or this can be done easily, or most of the time people think that I'm searching this, but why this is coming to my screen, or why they are suggesting um, see this and see this and you will like this, or this person is known, why it's happening. But now it's come to our mind that now it's happening because we are looking this kind of information. So that's why the machine is no uh, that machine is giving options. Maybe that information is according to our need or our search. Because earlier we have already with STEM India Foundation, we have a robotic sessions in our another schools. But now I think I can explain them in a proper manner, that how a robot or this field is uh, have a future, and I can you know now I can explain in a good in a proper manner. Today I haven't seen that it was any problem, because uh, right now I'm working in a Hindi belt, and most of our teachers and students, they are not very well versed in English. So, but working with you guys, to be very honest, I haven't think, or it is not in my mind that ये मैं समझ नहीं सकता यार, ये मुझे आ नहीं रहा है, या ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है. You people guys means it's amazing that some professional like you are going so down to earth and go and make all the presentations and activities in a very simple manner, and the language which uh, participants can understand easily. So that was the best part from my end. Yeah, content was there also, that is different, but your presentation and that translation, it was good. Okay, fine. Thank you.